Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and I just want to bring you guys a short video on how to build credit with this program called Kickoff, and it's only $1, $12 a month. I mean $12 a year, $1 a month, $12 a year. So, what is Kickoff? So, Kickoff is an unsecured credit building loan program. It has zero interest. They don't do any credit checks with you, so you don't have to worry about that. It's instant approval, and it gives you a primary trade line in your own name, and most of all, it's free. So this type of account is good for people who need to establish credit, people who need to rebuild their credit if they had some issues in the past, people who have a thin credit file, that means they have very few items in their credit file, people who need to show a positive payment history. This is really good for college students, people just going to college. And of course, you must be 18 years or older to apply for this type of account. So this account is only $12 a month, $1 a year. It has a 12-month term, and they're looking to extend those terms so you can have a longer payment history. And it has zero interest. Kickoff reports to all three credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and there are no hard inquiries. I know a lot of people concerned about inquiries on the report, but there are no hard inquiries on your credit report to get this account. So this money goes into what they call a fixed account, or maybe some people may say a virtual account or something like that. But it holds the $12. They're going to give you the $12, and it holds the $12 in that account for you, and you pay back $1 a month. Only $1, people, $1 a month. So you never get to touch the $12. So it never goes into your personal account or anything. They have their own secure account that it goes into, and they allow you to pay back $1 a month. So you don't have to even wait to payday to get started. You can start right now because you don't have to put in the money up out of your pocket, and you don't have to worry about no credit check or anything like that, no hard inquiries. So you don't need any banking information. They don't need that stuff because, like I said, they establish an account for you and they put your $12 in there. You don't need a credit card. You don't have to give no credit card information, and it don't affect your utilization because it's only $12, actually $1 a month. So what you do, you sign into your account and you pay the $1 each month. And they tell you when your due date is. That way you won't miss a payment or you won't forget. They'll send you an alert telling you when your due date is. So they don't offer any auto pay features with this, with Kickoff, because they want you to get in the habit of paying your bills. So, and then they even help you out by sending you an alert, letting you know when it's due. And they don't want you to pay it off early because it won't show no payment history. If you try to pay it off early, well, they don't allow it anyway. But if you try to pay a bill off early, you don't have any payment history. So it's just like you never really had it. So that's why they leave it for 12 months, and they don't have an auto feature because they want you to be getting in the habit of paying your bills again, or start paying your bills if you just acquiring credit. So don't worry about the payment, the dollar payment showing up on your account each month, how much it is a month, $1, $12 loan. Don't worry about that because the only thing you need to be concerned right now is to establish that positive payment history, and they're giving you the $12 to do it. And that has a high impact on your payment history when you paying this back, because 35% of your credit score, is payment history. How you pay your bills back. That's why they want you to go ahead and pay monthly, pay on time. They're gonna tell you when to pay, and all you got to do is just do it. I mean, anybody can do it. Just get an alert and just go and pay it and be done with it for the month and wait for the next month. So let's take a look at Kickoff. A young lady, well, actually a couple young ladies did it over the weekend, and I just want to show you some screenshots of what was done. So you go to kickoff.com, and then you'll get a screen like this. This was done on a mobile device, on a cell phone, so it may look a little bit different if you're doing it on a desktop or maybe a tablet or something like that. But this was done on the cell phone. I just want to go through and show you the screenshots and what you need to look for when you're going through and applying for this account. So it's going to ask your name, your legal name, your first, middle, and last name. I used to tell just put your first and last name on there. Because if I'm cleaning your credit, working with your credit, I only try to use your first and last name and get rid of all that other stuff that's in between. So you want to know, why do they need your middle name? And then, they'll tell you if they need your middle name, and they tell you why right there. So they're going to ask you your phone number. So preferably use a cell number, because they're going to send you a confirmation. They can't send a confirmation to a landline. So use your cell phone and put in your confirmation code once they send it to you. So they ask you your legal name and then your phone number. And then they're going to ask you when you was born. I was born on, so you put your month, date, and year. And then if, again, you need to know why they need to know this, then you just click on that little thing right there. So now you got your legal name, phone number, and your birthday. And they're asking for your address and your social security number. Why do we need that? Well, they're going to tell you why they need that. So boom, you put all that stuff in there. And then they're going to say, ooh, you approved. So how does this work? So like I said, they're going to give you a year payments in your Kickoff wallet. It's like a virtual wallet. They're going to give that to you. And then you pay them back $1 a month from that virtual wallet, from the money that they're giving you, $1. So they say they'll send your payments to record each month to the credit bureau. So each month when you make that payment, they're going to send your payment history to the credit bureaus. And then they will say, watch your score grow from nothing to 600 plus. So you have to click this little box saying that I have read and accept the loan agreement. And then they're going to say, ooh, good afternoon. Here's your wallet. Congratulations. The money from your loan is now available in your digital wallet. So the money is there. Okay? So they say, here's your money. Here's the $12 we're lending you. They're lending you the $12. You don't have to come out your pocket with nothing. They're giving you $12 to do this, people. Come on. So, and then they tell you down here, this payment 1 of 12 is going to be due in a month. Right? So, they made a payment. They said your credit score is on the way. Your credit score will be available shortly after we report your payment. And then you can track your credit score here. And it says, we report the new loan at the end of every month. So you'll see your first credit score within 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 weeks later. I know that scared you too. Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks later, you'll see it. So if you do it now today, and they'll report it at the end of the month, so in 2 or 3 weeks later, then you'll have a credit score that's reflecting your new Kickoff account on there. So watch for your new loan to report the $12 on there on your credit report. So here's your information here. And again, they want to make sure you have everything correct, because this is the information that they're going to report to the credit bureau. You done already gave the information before. So now they're confirming on the back end that, hey, this is what we're going to report to the credit bureau. And then you'll have a little time right there. You see these little pencils to go in and make any corrections. If I made a mistake on my birth year or something like that. Or my name, I left out an alphabet or whatever. But your account number right here is going to remain the same, since they already established your account. So now you done got your little $12 again right here, and it says you have one installment due, so 1 of 12. I think I already showed that, but anyway, they're gonna tell you when it's time to make a payment. Like I said, they're gonna tell you when to make the payment, so you just make the payment when they tell you to make the payment. It's just too easy, people. So it says paying back your loan is as easy as tapping a button. If you pay before the end of the month, it'll show up on your next month's credit report. So it's showing you a payment history. So if you don't do it, you're going to have a negative payment history, because they done already gave you a $12 loan. It's just like any other loan. If you don't pay it back, then it's going to reflect negative on your credit report. Okay, so pay the $1 back. They're going to tell you when to pay it, and you're only paying back $1 that they gave you to pay them. So now, it says right here, you have no installments due because a payment was already made. So now the next payment is going to be done in August for this particular person right here. So once they made that payment, they say you just made your first payment. Congrats. So you're on your way to establishing a credit score. So what they do, they give you, they also type in and ask you like little questions in reference to credit and credit reports, and see how you're doing with it. And you can, you can go back and reply to them with your answers and stuff like that. So once you get out of that, everything established, then you go. I'm gonna tell you, go get you a Credit Karma account. It's free. You get you a Credit Sesame account. It's free. Just enter those little free monitoring accounts that you can monitor and see when it hits. They may not. It's not going to give you like your real FICO score, but your Credit Karma and Credit Sesame, it's going to give you a score so you can see that something is reporting. And you see that TransUnion and Equifax reports on Credit Karma. And it says, you can see down here your payment history. It has a high impact on your credit score at the bottom. So make sure you pay it on time. The app is going to tell you when you need to pay it. And that's just it. So what you got to lose? You ain't got nothing to lose. They give you the money to do it. They tell you when to pay. The only thing you have to do is do it. And don't forget to do it. So you go to kickoff.com and go ahead and get started. My name is Mary Taylor, Better Day Consultant and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. I am a credit score improvement specialist, and I also do free consults. So you can go to creditconsult.betterdayconsulting.com. And you can also find us on social media. And you can also join our Facebook group. It's Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair Group. If you look for it, our number is 833-522-0200. I love to hear from you. Have a great day.